Hey guys, Run with Craft Scissors here with a little planner friend mail. Yeah. Tracy, one of my subscribers, followers, friends, whatever you want to say, she sent me this as a surprise. I guess like for Mother's Day, birthday kind of thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it, but I want to show you guys like the original packaging. So I'm gonna pull this away from the mic and then open it so it's hopefully not too loud. Now it's still loud. That's probably what you guys are saying to me. So look how cute this box is. So I don't know if you've ever heard of Origami Owl, but I think it's cute that they use like a little Chinese food box. And it says, "You tell stories with words, we tell stories with jewelry." So it's really cute. And then she wrote Run with Craft Scissors and Leslie's on there. It says, "Step 1, open your living locket or twist living locket face and base. Step 2, layering your plates, windows, or window frames. Step 3, place your charms into the locket and secure the face. Step 4, attach your chain to your living locket. Step 5, complete your look with dangles, earrings, and bracelets." So it's jewelry. Okay. Oh, here's her little note card. It says, "Thank you." Oh, that's so cute. Okay, so I don't want to like give her full name, but like I will give you like her well, that has her phone number on it too. I don't know how much you want in there, girl. So she's www.duchess.origamiowl.com, but I'll link it down below so you guys can check out and use her link, because then she gets like it's like her, she's the designer or whatever. Oh, that's so cute. I didn't even see that before. Can you see inside? It says, "Hello, beautiful." I didn't even see that before because I did sneak peek this. And if you've seen, like, I've already worn this necklace, like, and she shared a picture of it. So it comes in this cute little, like, I'm gonna call it an egg, but it's not really an egg, but it like pops open. How cute is that? It's like stitched around. It's like hard, I don't know, nylon fabric. You guys don't care. All right, cute little bag that says O2. That's funny. Okay, so let's open this. So she did this for me. Oh, I love the chain. It's like a Tiffany's necklace where you like hook it through like that. There you go. I love the chain. Love it. Okay, so let's take a look at what's in here. So this is the locket that she picked out for me, and it has Mom. Can you see? Oh man, this might be hard to see. Maybe I should have zoomed in more. Okay, so there's Mom and an R and a little boy and scissors and a T and a little bookworm and my son and everyone, like all my boys' birthstones. And then the quote in the back. I feel like you guys can't see this very good. Hold on. 5 seconds, hopefully. Fix this. Because I think I just need to zoom in real quick. Okay, there we go. See if that fixes it. Yes. Okay. So sorry. Okay. So there you go. So you see Mom right there, and then there's a little boy and the scissors, and the T is upside down right now, and then there's the R that's upside down, and then there's the bookworm and the, there you go. Okay. And then the back says, "Find the silver lining," so you can get like a quote for your back. And then how easy it is like these are like magnetically shut, so you just open it like that. See, there's a little magnet right there to keep it shut, and you can change those out as easily as you want. And then that little plate behind it also comes out, and you can change that out for like another quote, or if you want it to be see-through all the way around. Oh, there's a cute little heart on the back. Anyway, so super cute stuff. The charms are only $6, so like once you get this set up, it's like really easy. Just like add to it, or your family members can add to it, or like your husband, your kids. Like it's one of those gifts where they can kind of like build onto it for you, so that's really nice. And they have a lot of fun stuff. I already placed my order for my next one. It has I ordered tacos because there was a taco one, and that, you guys know, is my favorite food. And then what else did I order? Oh man. Anyway, I'll basically, when I get those, I'll do another unboxing and I'll add them to this. I might have to take some out because I think I ordered 3 or 4. They're so cute. All right, so thanks for watching. Thank you, Tracy, for this lovely gift, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.